Scientists hail new battery with 4 times energy density of lithium ion. More range.
Yeah.
The researchers at Illinois Institute of Technology and U.S. Department of Energy say that the new battery could power an EV for more than 1,000 miles, which is 1,600 kilometers. Okay, give me that. Give me that. Give me that.
Can power trucks, semis, cars, airplanes.
Will, would you consider this a game changer? Would that be a game changer?
Definitely.
That might change the game.
Yeah.
So anyways, I guess it's showcasing the design here. Was it lithium anode, CPE cathode? It's a different type of design. Schematic shows lithium air battery cell consisting of lithium metal, scroll down, lithium metal anode, air-based cathode, and solid ceramic polymer electrolyte. On discharge and charge, lithium ions go from anode to cathode and then back. More electrons stored means higher energy density. Density is the key terminology here because you can't really make these things much bigger than they already are. The physical scale of it.
Fit in like a vehicle.
Yeah, so they have to become more dense, and that's where all the research is happening now in order to try to achieve that. And eventually that range anxiety thing goes away. If you're talking about 1,000 miles or 1,600 kilometers, I don't think you're really ever worried about range.
And single charge. Yeah, I can just imagine like 10 years down the line and just having a car that can just drive for a very long time.
For comparison, Tesla's new 4680 cells have an energy density of 272 to 296 watt hours per kilogram, which is considered high by the current standards. At 4 times that density, the new cells would open up all sorts of possibilities, including aircraft that could fly well over 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. I don't know how significant that is for aircraft. I guess short hoppers.